Hey there. If you already use Razuna, you know how convenient it is to manage your files in one place. Now we're taking that a step further with our WordPress integration. With the Razuna WordPress plugin, you can bring your Razuna files right into the WordPress editor. That means no more switching between systems, downloading files from Razuna, uploading them again into WordPress, and later wondering whether you used the right version. Instead, install the plugin, connect WordPress to your Razuna account, and start browsing, searching, and selecting approved assets directly while working on a post or page. Need an image for a blog post? Pick it from Razuna. Need to link a document or media file? Find it in Razuna and insert it into your content. Most importantly, Razuna stays your central source of truth. Your team can keep managing, organizing, and approving assets in Razuna, while WordPress gets a faster way to use those assets where they are needed. For anyone publishing regularly, this keeps the workflow cleaner, faster, and more consistent. The plugin is available in the WordPress plugin directory or directly from our website. Thanks for watching.